packs already. I've opened them all. That's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna open for every 4 packs of legendary do this Soulburning Volcano. We're gonna open 1 pack of Tin of Fairs cod to make it, you know, make it the ratios fine, so we can open each and have a little variety. But yeah, let's get into it. So guys, we are back. Let's open these now. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Let's see. This is my first time making kind of videos, so if I get any of the editing wrong or anything of the things wrong, just don't mind, please. That's how we go. Salmon Great Gazelle, Lightning Boxer, Blaze Accelerator, with a Salmon Great Volcanic Rocket. Nothing really great. Next one. Okay, let's see what we got now here. Number 105, Lightning Boxer. Oh, Lightning Boxer Pocket. Don't know how much this was worth, but I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna sleeve this up. I've got sleeves right here. My little deck of sleeves. Yeah, that's a good card. Not gonna lie. Don't know if it's not guaranteed, so that's a dub. I'll take that. Next one. See what we got. Eruption, Reload, Circle, Summon Crit, Ultimirage. I'm pretty sure people play this. I'm pretty sure people play this card. So let's see, might be worth something. Next card, next pack. So we've got Volcanic Shell, Headgear. Oh, another one. Volcanic Emission. I worth something. Don't know. So I'll open the next few. So we get 3 seconds. Okay. Oh, what? Okay. Next one. Pattern about uppercut again. There we go. Jeez. Pattern boxer, Yugioh. What is that? That's 3. One more, then we'll open the tin pack, mega pack. Come on. Oh my god. We just got a ghost rare. I'll give you 1 minute, give me 1 minute. So guys, real update. All these cards here, they are worth absolutely nothing. They're worth 0.99, 0.99. So sending these out would be a loss because postage is like 85p, and then fees and everything, you don't make a penny. All of these are worth nothing. No point sending any of these out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to bundle these together and find a way to sell them because they're bulk. And then these are the cards where we made profit. So this was around £5, £6, £1.50. This was, obviously this price was really rarity collection 1. This was around £3.90, £3.50, so I got 2 of them. This was around £2, that's 2, and I'd say that's 7 for these, and I'd say 6 for this. That is around £15, and we've got this, which is around, we'll just say £50 for now, but I'll let you know. But it's around £50. you know. And then we've got all of these packs here which are unopened, you know. That's how we make our profit. So what I need to do now is so in the next video what we're gonna do is I'm gonna list all of these, try to sell them and see how much money we really make with these cards and see the reality. I just want to teach you about smart business as well. Also, before I leave, don't forget the giveaway. I'm giving away 5 packs of Age of Overlord. All you gotta do is comment, subscribe, and tell me, do you think this is a smart idea? One more smart idea in terms of, you know, making money and everything. But yeah, and yeah, thank you guys for watching this. My editing won't be perfect. It's my first time making videos, so if anything I said or did wrong, you know, just give me some guides, some tips. I greatly appreciate it. But yeah, thank you. See you guys in a bit.